Ventiv technology provides a number of cloud offerings in the risk management and claims administration space. Ventiv's performance as a company relies very heavily on the performance of our products. We're a cloud company, we offer cloud services. So if our applications are performing well, then Ventiv is going to perform well. As the clients are getting bigger, bringing in more and more data, they're kind of pushing the envelope as far as can we return these results back in the contractually committed time, to the point where we had a very, very large customer, probably twice the size of our next largest customer, come on board. So with the architecture that we had in place on a risk console, we were kind of boxed in as far as it takes a certain amount of time to get data back from a database, and this client is demanding this much data to answer their questions. And when you multiply the two together, we're beyond our SLA. We can't answer the question fast enough for them. So we have to do something.
David had a problem where they had to rewrite their whole architecture from the software side over 20,000 hours. That was gonna take, they thought, 36 months, and it was not for new features, but it was actually just to kind of redo their platform to meet SLAs. So instead of doing that, we were able to apply the IBM Flash technology. Ventiv went with 40 terabytes of IBM Flash. They deployed this in a preferred read scenario using Oracle ASM. They kept their Tier 1 solution on the same storage structure, and the actual Flash solution does reads first, and the read writes go to their normal Tier 1. By doing this, they increased both the reads and the writes and improved SLAs overall.
Converge One guided us through the whole process of selecting, identifying, and really implementing the Flash system. Flash really takes I/O out of the equation, where before the performance of the application is dictated by how much data you're chewing through. Now the performance of our application is dictated by CPU speed. There's actually a performance report that we would run at the database layer to see how's I/O performance looking, what's the average latency. Previously, we're used to seeing numbers between the 4 and 8 millisecond range. When we ran the report after Flash, the report came back and it kept saying 0 milliseconds, 0 milliseconds. And we kept thinking, why is it saying 0? Is the report broken? What's going on? And then we came to realize it's 0 because it's less than half a millisecond, and the report was rounding down. So you really can't get any better than that.
IBM is the only purpose-built Flash in the market right now. We recommend to every customer, you can do it for financials, for database, but also for Tier 0 storage as well. And now we're even moving in with virtualization and compression to Tier 1. So it's a great solution. You can apply it anywhere, and the price has come down so much, any size customer can use it.